Alright people, so we walk around. I got you through on Look at the road people, look at the place people. It's not normal around here at all. Oh, so water just the sea just come in.
So you have breeze, water.
Alright people, welcome back to another video. You don't know, this is your boy Nigel. We're out here heading towards Black River, right? And we buck up on this community that destroy really bad. Right people? I'm creating a GoFundMe link, so if you guys want to donate anything that you guys can, no matter how small it is. So we're here heading towards Black River. Just look at the buildings. Terrible. Get really bad. Look at this building right here. Flattened. So yeah people, just look what's taking place. So I talked to a few people off camera because some Jamaicans they don't want to be on camera. But just look at the place, look. It's terrible. Oh gosh man. I thought Kingston they'd get the hurricane, but look. Oh man. They need help down here. Oh my. Look at even at that house. Says you know when you drop like a nuclear bomb somewhere, it giving that type of look around here.
Ghost town.
Ghost town. It's terrible. Country. Wow, look from the place. Place don't have to get it really bad, man. So where were you when the storm blew? So when it blew you here, you're just the inside of your house?
No, man, the upstairs, because upstairs unfinished.
Oh.
And it's when the blow, you say,
Judge, so you wasn't afraid?
alright, couple times.
Couple time.
Yeah, because you never see a storm, dangerous like that.
You never see something dangerous like that
Never,
before.
never. Very
Gosh, man.
much. Every roof in the man has already gone, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm glad you're alright though and you're
Yeah,
safe
man.
and sound.
Yeah, man. One time, straight direction.
Yeah.
I start go north, and the door them just stay so.
And I
And
shake.
two before me for use and catch it.
Jaja.
We don't have the car. Yeah, man. The right way start, man. We don't have
Yeah, work. Alright then. I look what I go on people.
Glad me witness something. Something terrible.
Look what I go on. Yo, look right here, someone. Yo, man, now go on, I need to go stop it on me. I wait, because I don't want this. Go drop on us.
You want to drop on.
Yeah, look at this one. Get crazy down here in St. Elizabeth. Come to chill. It's rough. They need a lot of help down here. A whole heap. Look over there, so over there. Over there, so flooded. I see some house on the hill. Point it up the hill up there, so back behind us. Chano. Look right here, so in front of us now. This is chaos. This is... Yo. These people get it really, really, really bad. Yeah, man. The high pass right here. Look at even on the light post them in the road. Everywhere you go, you find a light pole in the road. Down here. Look there, man. It's crazy. These people are living in the dark because them not get electricity for now at all. So there you have two fire trucks in front of us. What happened now? Yeah, you have to be careful of them them pole here in the road.
Oh, puncher, man.
Puncher.
Yeah.
Wax
I
cover.
just puncher it, you know.
And run over that.
Giant,
Let me over here so they join. Look what take place over this side here. Cha. Look them man.
Oh. Look out, my boss.
Come on.
Yo, me think they carry an
People. Yeah, I thought it wasn't driving either. People truly and really and truly, me feel it. Me feel it for these people down here. Me feel it for them really bad. There's a lot of things down here that I would like to video, but it's just to get to some of these places. It's hard to get to some of them, but people that really need any help, any way you guys can help, I have a link in my description. I have my PayPal and I have a GoFundMe. So if you guys want to help in any way, and that money will go towards buying food, water, and the most important things and bring it down here to these people. Because they don't have any water down here. They need help. So if you guys can help, just let me know. It's no matter how much, big or small, even if you just share this video to let it reach some other people. So because these people need help. So we're still on our way to Black River, and this is the way towards Black River, people. So just heading down there to show you guys what Hurricane Melissa did down this side. So this is the west side of the island. So just please stay tuned, and remember guys, if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe, because this, when you subscribe, it helps this video to reach a lot more people, and we need your help. Okay, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share it out, people. Share it out. Look at the road, people. Look like a tractor passed through here and make our way to get to Black River. Jeez, I'm pain. It's another thing. All the trees down here, they don't have no leaves. You won't find any of these trees with a green leaf on them. The big ones, all of them blow off. All of them was destroyed. That big one up there, sir.
Yeah, one cotton tree.
So no, just look on the tree them. No leaves, not upon them, people. All that, there's a big cotton tree further up. There's nothing on it. See them, yeah?
Are you in this, sir?
Yeah. Down here, look really bad. I feel it for them people here. Feel it for them. So, anything you guys can do for these people here, do it. Even if you don't go through me to help these people, you can. Any source that you see you can go to that is trustworthy, please do, man. They need your help down here, really bad. I'm gonna fly the drone to give you guys a aerial footage down here, let you guys see. I feel it, people, and I know me, it happened to. Look at all those buildings over there, so. Jeez, I'm peeing. So, most of these people down here are homeless right now. Tell you the truth, more and cry and I know me, it happened to. But you guys just go and watch the process and just stay tuned. We're in some traffic right now. I try get more in the town. I'm gonna give you guys a walk through the town, let you guys see what really some places. Alright, so let's just watch the process. Man, category 5 hurricane, you know? You know, see, I'm not joke thing if you drop all of these things down here, you know? People right now, I'm in a Black River. Look at the place. Place in a shambles. Look what I'm going. Place in a rambles around here. Oh gosh, man. Them people are down here definitely are gonna need some help. I see a group, a line of people down there, so we must lining up for some help down there. I see people are trying to take what them can take, because all of this to read this whole town have to go rebuild. Everything has to go up down and rebuild over. Look over this side where we go around this side and show you guys. Oh gosh, man. Look at the place. Look at the place, people. It's not normal around here at all. It's not normal. So anybody can help these people and you can reach down here as fast as possible. The road to come down here it's bad, but there's a way you can find to get here. Alright? Definitely when I'm coming back down here, I want to come back down here with some food, water to help these people. Right? Because at night down here, I can imagine down here, ghost town. Down here supposed to be a ghost town at night. But we'll walk through, show you guys as much as possible what it look like down here. Right? I know people. I feel it to my heart. There's not no water, no light, no food. Everything in a shambles. I see you come up here, some general.
Yeah, man. Water flow out the town, water flow out the town. When the water full out the town,
Yeah.
and it create wave.
Oh, so
Once,
what?
Yeah, once you create wave,
Yeah.
it move everything.
Oh, so
So,
water just
yeah,
the sea
yeah.
just come
Yeah,
in.
so you have breeze, water, and move everything.
Oh, I know. So you try to get out some things out here, so.
And I take out valuable things, because you're going to need it.
Yeah, for survive.
Yeah,
It's like a survival moment down here.
Yeah, survival
Moment down here.
You
Yeah.
understand? Because if you don't do it right now, you might get yourself in trouble.
Yeah.
Find yourself trapped and stranded for food. And then you only can hope that you get help.
Alright.
If you don't get help, whatever things you have,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, hook it up. You understand?
Jaja.
And you see it?
You find a buckle of water.
A bucket of water. If you take a sip each day, you can save a life.
Yeah.
You understand?
You hear that, people? Him find a buckle of water right now, so he must search for valuable stuff. So it's like a survival moment down here, people. People have to go through the rubbles to find what they can find to survive. Because down here is a survival moment. Big up yourself, bro.
Yeah,
Definitely,
man,
a lot of people are going to see this and help them on it way I come down here. A whole lot of people are come down
So
here.
I'm hope when the help come,
Yeah.
it do fear.
Yeah,
Because-
talk it loud, make them hear.
When the help come, it work fear.
Yeah.
It don't make sense to help come and you have one person, I get a share of 1 to 10. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, 100 person get 1% and 1 person get 10%. No, can't work like that. Just it work share.
Yeah, make it
Yeah,
cheer.
Make it share because everybody need to survive. And as person, I think for themselves alone,
Yeah.
selfish.
Jaja.
Because the same person we take 10% or 50% or 90% can
Yeah.
fall along tomorrow and the same person get the 1%.
Yeah.
I go hold him and say come.
Oh,
You understand? Kind
yeah.
of about survival. You understand? So
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
help me, you give me a chance, can help you.
Alright.
You understand me I say?
True.
Yes. So we all have to eat one dumpling. If one dumpling I have, we call a friend. If you take half, when we get half. Because if you fall along tomorrow, I'm going to need the help. And if you fall along tomorrow, you need me help. So we need each other help.
Alright.
Yes.
So you hear that, people? So it's a survival moment. You alright, mommy?
Yes,
So you guys just
sir.
trying to survive. What is over there, so?
Also a tourist attraction.
Oh. Jaja. So down here dark at night. Pitch black, right? Jeez and P. Huh?
Brightest thing when it's not blinking.
The brightest thing round here are Blinky.
Yeah.
Oh. Cha. Like Peeny Wally.
Yeah, brightest thing I blink.
Cha.
Yo, serious thing I go on, you.
Serious thing.
Remember
Jano.
you see me, serious thing. Watch out. Jamaica, we hungry Jamaica. Rough boy, we hungry Jamaica.
Tell them.
Andrew, help me out, brother. Help me out, Andrew. Help me out. St. Elizabeth mash up, sir. Help yourself. I will vote for you, you know. Remember that, you know. And the soldier man will give you a hard time, the person will give you a hard time for everyone. Food.
Yeah.
Alright? Big up yourself, me general.
Alright.
Yes, no problem.
So they want food down here, people. They want food. Food is very important down here. So if you guys can help out as much as possible. They need no help. So everybody has search for water, search for everything. Channel. So the water, the sea come up. Look, you can see all right here. So whole of here, so water underwater. Channel. People are. I got you. Hello. Alright people, so I walk around in a Black River here, people. I know it's rough down here, I'm not lie. Terrible. I walk through and show you what I'm going. This video is gonna be super long. We are showing you everything that take place down here. Right? Everybody a loot for survive. Down here is survival moment right now. Survival moment. Look what I'm going. So you say when I survive, my general. Yeah. Eh? What girl name? Yeah. Melissa. Yeah man, Melissa. Take it over. Jano Star. But held up on the way down here, man. No joke. Yeah. I got you. True, no, I go on. So, no, look on the place, man, people, everybody. I hustle, look things. Look. See everything. Look what I go on, people. Down here under chaos. Down here like a zombie apocalypse. We have got two people and show them what I go on. A lot of these people down here, they don't have nowhere to sleep. Just look what I go on. We just have walk. This is the bridge. Oh my. I walk and show you everything what I go on. Everything will take place down here. Everybody a look. Them a look something. We are going to cross that bridge here and show you what I'm going. What's your man?
So what I see you don't already to the Nightfall.
Down here flooded. Be a chaos. No, sir. Look what take place, people. I just walk and show you. I show you everything as much as possible. So I walk to that side here and I go back around to the other side and show you guys. Chaos, so people have to dig up the rebels. Rebel to get food. Where I got you, where I got you. John, come we need. People them down here need, you know. Keep on this beetle over here, so. People, it's a lot of, it's chaos. Chaos down here. People fighting, people cussing, people full of mud. It's chaos. Big chaos down here, people. People are walking, walk through and showing. They are showing you chaos. People are just take whatever they can take. Right? Because you don't know when help are going to reach. But you guys, if you guys are watching and can help, please help. Chaos down here. Chaos. When I say chaos, people are take everything where they can take. Tile, sink, beer, because this all the supermarket them washed out, flood way. So people are savage everything. People are dig up the rebels. Look what are going. Just look what are going, people. Just look what are going. Just look what I want, people. People are trying to take everything as possible. Everything. Alright. Oh, so we can't go to the side there. People down here, money don't have no value down here. Only thing matters down here is food and water. If you have money, money don't have no value at all. So you have to have food and water to survive down here.
Put me on the video too, man.
You want see there? Yes, general them a look food.
So we have to look on food.
Food. So we need the help.
5 years, and Joe. I choose Jamaica.
Yeah.
Choose Jamaica. Best, and Joe. You know we get whole heap of free.
Look then. They must go through cake soup, Michael Jackson style. So everything with them can get people, them have to grab. People, it's not normal down here, not gonna lie, it's not normal. Chaos. Where is that, Junior?
Chaos. Bro, I first never feel like sorry. You know the way they like feel them type of way. You know the way when I talk about?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, bro. We get it too, bro, and right now we have a home said way, bro.
Yeah.
Everything right now, me a part with all one. I look at Ella lady a while ago, she tell me say, yo, she not no food. Sorry about the bike sound, guys.
Yeah.
She not no food to eat, bro. She not no water for bathe. Her house gone, brother. People and don't have face it, bro. Trust me, bro.
So you said they need the help, don't you?
Need help, bro.
Urgently.
Nigel paper like go there in the description, guys. We need the support. Never wait them peeps.
The people them need the help.
Need
people.
it, peeps. So any little thing you can give the support, we appreciate it, and them appreciate it also. I speak for them.
Yeah, man, they really appreciate people.
But
Them need it. They need it. No, man, around here, son. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can go, sir, and go round. May I go, sir? We are walking and go around, people. Still, people are look to things same way in the rovers. You know, like when the apocalypse coming, so general here start pushing card. So you try survive, my general. You look for your survival thing then.
Yeah.
You have the card to push. So it's a survival moment down here right now. It's a survival moment. The police and the soldier, they're running the people them. So right now I'm gonna fly the drone. I'm gonna fly the drone and make you guys can see some of what take place. Alright? So we just stay tuned and watch the process as we go through.
Get it.
So we are trying to go through people. So if you guys can help, please help. But I try to go around to some other spots, but the police and soldiers they block off some of the road that you can't go around to them. But I'm gonna give you guys much footage as possible, as much as I can. Right? So let's just stay tuned and just watch the process. Down here, chaos. No cell service signal, no electricity, no water. What you say?
Respect, man.
Believe no man.
Believe, man. Believe.
Alright, pick up yourself. Yeah. So yeah, people, them need no help down here. So still a walk road. So just know if you guys can help them, please help them. Please. The PayPal, the GoFundMe, they're in the description. Chaos. Chaos, chaos, chaos. So, what is happening to you?
Yes. We house stop leak out. We win the leak out. Me shop mash up. We house mash up.
Only you love life and
Only me love life and Jesus and me husband we have.
Yeah. So where are you staying now?
All about the place, me up on the run.
See me up on the roadside.
See me up on the roadside.
So you guys have to
So only get the
So only get food.
When we get food,
Yeah.
for food we can't look for here. Some food I give we and we not get none.
Oh. So you guys need food.
Yeah, we need food.
Like what is the most important thing you need?
We need anything in food stuff. And we need clothes. We need sheet. Slipe drowned, that's like we come from. Drowned. Slipe mash up, slipe need help. Remember, so we have one road in, one road out. So we just surrounded and the two roads full of water. Crocodile and everything. Only thing we don't lose any life.
Yeah, that is the greatest
And that
part.
is the greatest.
Alright.
But we need help.
Need help.
And we have Jesus and we still want more Jesus.
So them need help, people. So if you guys can help, please help them.
Yes, we need
Alright?
water.
You need water too. Alright.
A Slipe we come from, the community of Slipe.
Slipe the community.
Slipe. Oh Lord, we need help. This is Miss Hoppy Cook. I think everybody know Miss Hoppy Cook, you know. Me help poor people, you know. After me tell me want help, no.
Yeah.
Me never have no house. Me mother house mash up. Me father house mash up. Me cousin, everybody in that community that's like mash up. Everybody mash up from left, right, and center. And me boat me use carry people from the river this sea man and to get look something to eat. And we in a black river now and soldier and police are running. We don't know where go man. Come close.
Them are running from the food.
Yes, and China give you the food and police and soldier run away.
Yeah.
How does that go work?
Jano star.
Me look at me and say me belongs here, but they don't know me. See there?
Yeah, look.
Drop me job. Look on me. I saw this because me take me up on the road, we hungry. This is like Haiti.
Yeah,
Haiti, me want help, please. Link up me soap, anybody can link up. Ask the YouTuber which out you can find me soap, cook.
Yes.
And just come in, me there about.
Alright. Alright, so if you guys can help them, please help, please reach out. And you definitely know to Miss Whoopi will get the help as long as you send it. Alright?
Look
So-
here. Can nicer. Look at me.
Yeah.
Everybody can do. Look here. I want contact number
So-
what you want they want.
Look what I go on. People, them need the help, so we are looking help for them. They really need it. We have light and water in town. Them don't have nothing at all down here. Not even food.
This is Black River Market.
This is where?
Black River Market.
This is the Black River Market over here. Yeah man, see market over there, so chaos.
Chaos. Chaos. Chaos.
Big.
Chaos.
Alright, show me what I go on now, Miss Whoopi. Show me some places where.
This is Black River Market. Over there is the Black River Market, right over there.
Yeah.
Black River Market. This is the shortcut. We have all the stalls.
Yeah.
You know the stall, the higglers. We'll stay over here, the higglers. And this is a shortcut to go back to the main road in the town. And let me tell you, everything is a disaster.
Them need the help. We are walk around. Chaos down here. Chaos. It's terrible.
There is one at the Chinese market who empty out everything and give to people.
Yeah.
That supermarket.
That supermarket over
Right.
there.
And the China empty out everything from yesterday.
Yeah.
And give it to people.
Okay. So it's empty right now.
Right now.
So I know. So we just a walk around.
Over there is the
Sure.
police station.
Straight ahead is a police station. Okay. Around this side is a little bit more quiet. So we walk same way. I'll show you guys as much as possible.
Church.
That's a big church. We can pass them and go around. Can we pass right here? We're going through. Just look what is going on. Be careful, mommy, be careful. Okay, you have to walk through people.
Oi! Come give me a. Oi! Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
You have to go
I'm
through.
in the name. Soldier Black off the road.
Neil, yeah. Lock around here. So soldier and police them are run everybody from outside town because a lot of looting is going on and people are hungry. They're looking for food. So let's just stay tuned and watch what going on, people. They need the help. So this is the Anglican church right here, so look at the church. Chaos. So right now certain places are limited to walk because of the police and soldier. We just so we are showing how we're going. People, a lot of chaos. I soon fly the drone around. Let you guys see what really taking place down here. But this is the church right here. The close up. I think Fox News are right there with the police. These are the people that they are running from the road because people are hungry. You know, when people are hungry, they are trying to find food and water. So as I said earlier and in the beginning, a lot of these are foods. People are looking to go back home. YouTube, Nigel, Yeman TV. Yeah. Huh? In the area? Soon. Yeah. So, beside church people. I go over there and make you guys see. See if I can make my way over there, people, and show you guys. But look at the church. It's in ruin. It is chaos.
It used to be Dars.
Right here, so used to
Right,
be?
Dars.
So what they used to sell in Dars?
Fabric.
Fabric. Or like things.
Yeah, things.
Oh.
Fabric and haberdashery.
Okay, so they
Dars at the corner.
So they
Everybody
move.
know it.
Okay.
Dars, everything is done.
Like these type of fabrics on the ground
fabric
right
and
here.
everything.
Oh. Looking
How
at the
you do?
town. You alright? Where you say you look for food and so forth. Alright, so people, remember, if you guys can help them, please. Please, they need the help. So you get stuff though. Alright, that's good, that's good. But look now, man. Look even down there, so around there, so terrible. Here we're gonna looking at the church right here, so, and then we're gonna continue around. So the sea come right over. The sea come right over and land. Just look, man. Just look at the place. We'll take a look over there. Look where I go on, people. Look at the church. Chaos down here. I know. These people get it really hard down here. Look at the church, look at the building. It's chaos. So a lot more people was in the town, but the police and soldier they run them from the town because people are looting, people need food, people need water. Money down here don't have no value down here. Only thing have value down here is food, water, light. Those are the most important thing down here. So if you have money down here, you don't have nowhere to spend it. Right? Because you don't have no supermarket, you don't have no shop, you don't have no gas station, you don't have nothing at all down here. That's that. Nothing to survive. Nothing at all. Everything covered underwater down here. Believe me. Look right here. Tell them again, because
We need help.
yeah.
We need help. There is no joke about this. God, no help we please the Black River. We are dead down here.
Yeah, look, you see light pole all over the town. Look how I go on, people. Jesus and peace him. Father God, them need on the help. They need on the help down here. Need on the help. Light pole. Look how I go on. Oh gosh, man, I want to go over to the sea. The sea is calm now. There's a few boats on the sea right now. But look, all this rock, rubble, washed up from the sea. Washed up from the sea to the land. Chaos, chaos, chaos. So people just trying to take whatever they can. Whatever they can get, that's what they are taking. So yeah, feeding look like a feeding them around. I don't know, you know. You just take what you can get. Yeah. So that I go on. Look around here, so. Look around here, so. And the shambles. Look what I go on, people. Oh gosh, man. Yo. People. It's chaos. Nowhere you can pass right here, so if you go around. All of these debris in the road. Everybody that lives down here have to start over. I don't sure if any life lose down here, but it is rough, 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 rough. Me not even have words can tell you guys how rough it is. All me can do is just show you guys. Just show me a show now. All me can do is just show now. Alright? So this gentleman right here, him don't want to show him face on camera, but him just have a story to tell you guys.
Yeah man, I'm living a man. I drive truck man as close as the truck be man, I could get in that truck man. Me and my family man, my baby mother, my father, and my daughter man, I can't live in a man. When the storm start.
When the storm start till the storm done.
Till it done. Car. You see me, we don't know how we're going to do it right now, but you know, God with us. Yeah, man.
So, and food now. So, how no go about getting
The
food?
loot we are low, man.
Loot you have to
How we are going to do again? How we are going to do again?
Nothing now sell.
Nothing now sell. We have money, but we can't buy no. Nothing. Right now, water we are hunting. That's one of the scariest thing right now. Come like a goal. Diamond.
So, them need water and food.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, right now, some people are up in a forest morning. Man dead up the front storm and can't come out. Body up there right now, I think. You see me? Every house blow down. Every house blow down with a board house. Right now, 3 concrete building up there. 2 shop and 1 house. Everybody have to sleep on that tree right now. You see me? Serious.
So, where you sleep?
Me a build and me out a door me there on that tree.
You hear that, people?
You see me? Say me beat it as a tonight. Tomorrow night, me beat it there, so.
Yeah. And when it come to night now, it's pitch black, right?
I remember, you know, man. Remember, you know. You don't want to build up back your place or zinc it back. You can't get no material. No nail, no zinc, because you can't use back your damage zinc them.
Yeah.
You see me? It's rough.
Rough. It more pass rough.
Rough, me I tell them.
Pass rough.
Pass rough.
Pass
Yeah.
rough.
Because even when me I walk around in the town, it's this, you know, like when you're watching like
A show.
a
Horror
show.
movie.
Yeah.
You come like I want to see now one movie, bro.
Yeah. It's
Right
like
now.
one of those zombie movies
Yeah.
where you have
Scary.
to unforget food and those things.
Right
Scary,
now,
my friend.
my mother house blow down flat and I can't start pan it and me a builder. I can't put it back up.
Yeah.
When I have no material, I can't start pan it. My woman house blow down flat. And I start it back and we have some extra nail run out, I have to stop. The house for me in a blow down flat and I have to just walk up, I have to try clean up the place. But I can't do no work. I can build it back up in a 1 day, but I don't no material.
You know, no material, and then material are gonna be hardest thing to get here.
First night, the man they loot down all the place them where you get the material. Everywhere man they loot down.
And I see police and soldier run people out of town
Man
now.
up on building top, man I go down to building, man I do all different type of things. Police and
But I
soldier.
want him like though, they might keep it peaceful. They might
Yeah.
help them one. No
You see me?
violence,
No
not really a
violence,
go on.
everybody
Everybody
out.
cannot help them one.
You see me? Nobody now war.
You listen, you don't reach that level there yet. You don't reach that level there yet.
Oh.
At some point, it's like a god or something. I ask you.
When food run out.
Yes.
Food run out. Cause you think about it. You think about it when I say no. The reason why food are gonna run out, you know. The food there, you know, but it run out, you know. They do it wrong.
Them abuse it.
You see, the man that will get through if you go in the supermarket, the man in the wholesale them.
Yeah.
Most of the flour and the rice, the man them trample it. Step on it and trample it and go in. So you see sugar, everything up on flooring. Bag of sugar, bag of rice, everything up on flooring. Because you have some people only think about the liquor them, expensive liquor them.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
think about the food. So then trample the food them.
So when them hungry now,
Yeah, when them
because
can't save you.
when you drink the liquor, you're gonna be hungry.
You see it? So everything will run out soon. Yeah. So give them few more days, nothing more left down here, because only 2 more building left, supermarket left to open, for bus, night town. Everywhere. Look, feeding store.
Yeah.
Everywhere done. You see me?
People are take everything where they can take.
Look, no, man. Right now, my neighbor raise hog and me gone 10 bag of hog feed. You see me? And when me get me a take.
Yeah.
You see me? Come here, my neighbor have hog.
Yeah, you can trade for something.
You see me?
Yeah, so
Come
if you have food or water, you can trade.
10 bag of feed, man, and trade for 1 hog.
Yeah.
I break it down, you know. You see me?
Yeah. That's
So everybody where you see in the town, look, everybody where you see now, you see rich and you see poor, everybody else. But not now sell. Anything where a man can get in gone with it.
Yeah, so money down here now.
Money can't no count. Them in have money in my pocket and need a buckle of water and can't get it.
See the same thing, people.
You see me?
Money have no value down here at all.
You need a buckle. Right now, water run out. No water, no you can't get. No. If you find a man, right now, a man will give you a case of beer for one buckle of water. Go with it. You see me? Right now, it's dangerous, me I tell you.
All right, people. So you hear it from them. So if you guys can help them out, them need the water.
Need the help now, I send to the Black River.
Yeah, man.
You see, Brompton, Division, Brompton, Shillington, Shrewsbury, Catterwood, Five-Spen, Forest Mountain, Giddy Hall, Prospect. Jesus Christ, man, people them in a critical condition, man. I tell you. Them people that live up in the hills. We can't, alright, the wickedest thing about it, them can't get no gas. We drive even if we come down here. We come hustle. Certain thing. A few man. Me know a man that get up from before day and walk coming out of town. I don't know how I reach back. Can live far.
Live far.
You see me? And gas run out, gas station, and man a lock up on you and you have to join line. Right now, me there white all this man now on line. We don't have virgin and me have to come out and left one next man right now, you don't get through all now. You see me? It's a turbo down here. So anyway you take it. You see me? So, me only can talk for people them up in the hills, you know, where me know. You understand me I say? Say, anybody out there where I see this and can give a helping hand, don't know. Big up yourself, my boss.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Man.
All right, you hear that, people? So, if you can help, if you can reach out and help them. Them need the help. Them need the help. They need the help. They need the help. No, sir. This is terrible. What you say, Junior?
Very terrible, guys. Very, very terrible. I'm telling you, peeps.
Yeah, man. First me I witness something like this ever in my life. I only see this on TV. I only see this with we not even can call the word people, but you know what I'm saying. Them type of scary movie there, yeah. Them zombie movie there when everything locked down. You have to on supermarket, ghost town. Right?
In a survival mode. Right
survival mode. I think me go come down here one night, come spend a night down here and let you guys see the serious of it at night. Alright, so if you guys want to see me down here in the night, just comment it down below, alright? And I'll come down here, come give you guys a full footage, alright? So, wanna just stay tuned, watch the process. We're out here and just broadcasting as much as we possible, alright? Enough love, keep on watching. We're here in St. Elizabeth, Black River. The people need your help. Remember, the link, the PayPal link is in the description. The GoFundMe is down there. Help them, no matter how small it is. All right, so we can get some water, some food. Water is the most important thing down here. So please reach out. Yeah, most of the people are gonna take a load liquor instead of food because you don't know, say, when they drink the liquor and then not no food. A chaos starting up, people. I walk through. People, I take a moment to come back to your car. Out there really hot and a lot of chaos is going on out here. A lot of looting is taking place. So I understand why the police and soldiers are running the people. The reason why, because a lot of these people, they will get hurt because most of them are going in through from the roof and they're taking whatever they can. As a few of the people say, they're taking stuff just in case they know somebody that have pig or have chicken still alive, they can pass over, they can trade. Like if you got a bag of feeding, you can trade a bag of feeding to something for something else, for food or for water. So people, it's crazy. Chaos. Chaos are going on there, people. Chaos, watch what go on. Chaos down a Black River here. Chaos, watch what go on, people. We're in a traffic. Here thing. Right now, guys, we are head home. Look on the phone. It's a ghost town, there's no light. So only thing a lot of people, some people have generator using, but it's a ghost town. Look so.